Hello, everyone. This is Yu Yang. Today, Yu Yang brings you the Transformers Mighty God Bumblebee. This is a Bumblebee excavator. This is the right-hand Bumblebee excavator. Yu Yang spent a lot of time making the entire Transformers set, especially the green color. This green color is very rare in the LEGO set. Yu Yang had to spend a lot of money to buy these green LEGO pieces. Therefore, Yu Yang spent quite a lot of time. If you like Yu Yang's work, don't forget to follow, like, and share it. If you want to see anything, please leave a comment. Yu Yang will try his best. Okay, let's start transforming.